Well, this one must be full already. Because he's running. There's Big Zasha.
Is he behind the couch?
I don't know. There's the other one trying to play with the ball. One's at your feet. Oh, the other one's taken off.
Oh, I see a tail, I think.
Are you done eating, sweetheart? You're not. You're mowing right along. Oh, yep, you're done too. Well, I guess they all have had enough. There's one over there attacking Rufus. Aw, Rufus is giving kisses. Such a good boy, Rufus. Such a good boy, Rufus. Rufus officially said, I'm out of here. And there's all of them hiding out behind Dad because they heard a baby come. Wonder where they go. Hi, Boogie. Allie, can you wave to the camera? Say hi. You saying hi to the raccoon? Don't step on the raccoon.
Kicking. Hey, easy. You freak him out. Stop.
No, he's not ready to play, Allie.
I said stop.
Are you hopping like raccoons do? Allie, turn around and look at Mommy.
Look at Mom. Look at Mom.
Such a big girl.
Be careful.
Allie, turn around and look at Mommy. Are you playing with the raccoon? Yeah, that's what they were eating. What, does it not look good? Yeah, just leave it there. Mommy, clean it up.
What are they eating?
Bananas.
Bananas and goat milk.
Did they like it?
Oh yeah. This is like their third helping. There's their messy plate.
How you doing, respiratory issues?